I just turned it back on. I think this has to do with the fucking government. Government control. Look at this fucking noise. Yeah. Government control. Government control. Fuck. Noises out there.
That's why he said it's outside, right?
I don't know what the hell that is.
What is that?
What is that, sirens or something?
No. Maybe some kind of machine?
They're gonna be doing that almost 8 o'clock at night. That noise is crazy.
Okay, so